Oh yeah, another 2-ounce intaglio round right here. And I have the 1 ounce to go with it. Excited about these. What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and today we have another Provident Metals unboxing. As you know, I buy most of my stuff from Provident Metals, and I like to do the unboxings to show you what I have received and what is going into the silver lopes for the stream. Now, I'm going to try to make this one quick because I've ran out of time on the weekend. It is Saturday before noon, and I just don't have any time. So I'm going to get this out real quick. I have it opened already, of course. The packaging was great, and it's always great. Nothing was banging around, but we're going to get this out. I'm going to show you what we picked up from Provident. Happy with my purchase, and I'll be right back. All right, now that I have it all out here on the table, I'm going to try to do this all in one cut. We're going to see how it all works out. But doesn't that just look beautiful? Look at all of the, it's just so shiny. It's great silver. Provident makes me happy with all the purchases that I have made so far. And we're going to go over some of this right now. We're just going to go over it real quick. We have a 2020 Australian Kangaroo that will be going into the streams as well. There's 2 of those. We have the St. Helena 2019 Shield Spade. 2 of those, they will be going into the stream. We have 2 American Silver Eagles. I didn't get those out, but it is a 2019 American Silver Eagle. So 2 of those will be going into the stream. We have this varied. I seen that it was a varied 1 ounce round. I wanted to see what that would be, and this is what they sent me. It's a Liberty 1 ounce round. It's not the stacker kind that I used to have. We got cardboard pieces laying around, but yeah, we have that as well. Now, I did get some varied half-ounce rounds. Now, they did have this as its own deal, and it wasn't too bad. It's the Canadian Special Forces. It's a half-ounce round, or a half-ounce coin. It's $2, so that was cool. And then I got some varied half-ounce rounds. I was thinking, you know, Morgan rounds, Incused Indians, Buffalo half-ounce, Walking Liberty half-ounces. So I did get a Morgan. I didn't know what was coming, but the other one that they sent me was not a round at all. This is a coin. It is the half-ounce bald eagle from Canada. Come on, there you go. Half-ounce bald eagle from Canada. So I was pretty happy about that. That's another $2 coin. Of course, it's got a little bit of issue on the front, but for a random round sending me a coin, you can't beat that. So very happy about receiving a coin instead of a round, because, you know, coins are just a bit more, have a bit more premium, but I paid the same price. We have 2 more dragon rounds right here. We have the Indian dragon round and then the Norse dragon round. Both of those are going into the stream. We have some prospector bars up here, a couple throwbacks. Of course, they're in their protective cases still. I think this one's pretty cool right there. And then this one as well. So them are pretty nice. Now, this is the first Darth Vader I have picked up. I can't get carried away with buying a bunch of these because there's so many out there. I'll go broke. But so I thought this was cool. It's New Way 2019. Is that what it said? Yes, 2019. That will be going into the stream as well. Let's see. We've went over this. I got a couple quarter-ounce Incused Indians. We got to keep the quarter-ounce and half-ounce extra stuff flowing into the stream, so those will be in the stream somewhere. Now, what I picked up for myself was this right here, the Noah's Ark from Armenia. It is a 2015. I picked this up for myself because I have a half-ounce as well, so of course half-ounce and the ounce have to put them together. I didn't pick this up for myself. It has a little bit of issue on the airtight. It is a 2017 Panda, so I wanted to go ahead and pick that up because it had a pretty good price on it. So I went ahead and grabbed that. I hadn't seen it, so I wanted to grab it. Another thing that I did pick up for myself was the 2-ounce Type 5 Moulin Labe. Check that out. That thing is looking nice and thick. Intaglio mint. Sorry, Intaglio mint. Looking nice. I did pick up an airtight for this. I have to put that in there. But yeah, great rounds and series right here. And then what I had seen was the Type 5 1 ounce round as well. Let me see if I can pull that out. 1 ounce round Type 5. So I guess I have to, you know, now I have the this, and I think I have the 1 as well, the type 1. So I'm gonna have to get 2, 3, and 4 of the 1 ounce size, because if you have the 2 ounce size, you got to have the 1 ounce size as well, right? So so another thing that I have to collect, yeah, just I get carried away sometimes, I guess. But anyway, I wanted to share all of this with you. I think I went over everything, and I think I've done it in one cut. So yeah, tell me what you think about Provident. Of course, most of all of this, like I said, is going into the stream on our next stream, and so we can kind of bust up the Philharmonics and the Britannias that are in there. So until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below. Which one of these is your favorite? How about that? So until next time, good luck.